The company actively engages in philanthropic initiatives, supporting various causes related to youth development, health, and wellness. Through these endeavors, Under Armour demonstrates its dedication to making a positive impact beyond the realm of sportswear. Under Armour's success story is not without its challenges and moments of adaptation. As the sportswear industry became increasingly competitive, Under Armour had to continuously innovate and differentiate itself to stay ahead. They expanded their product lines to include not only apparel but also footwear, accessories, and even connected fitness devices. Under Armour's foray into the footwear market was a significant milestone in their growth. With their signature focus on performance, they developed technologically advanced athletic shoes designed to enhance athletes' speed, agility, and comfort. Collaborations with top athletes and teams further solidified their presence in the footwear industry and boosted brand recognition. In recent years, Under Armour has also embraced sustainability and environmental consciousness. They have made efforts to reduce their environmental footprint through responsible sourcing, waste reduction, and eco-friendly manufacturing practices. By prioritizing sustainability, Under Armour demonstrates their commitment to not only athletic performance but also the well-being of the planet. Under Armour's global expansion has been another key factor in their success. They recognize the importance of tapping into international markets and building a global presence. By entering strategic partnerships, establishing retail stores worldwide, and targeting key regions, Under Armour has expanded its reach and catered to athletes and consumers across the globe. Moreover, Under Armour's focus on technology and data has set them apart in the sportswear industry. They have invested in digital platforms, data analytics, and smart apparel to provide athletes with personalized experiences and insights into their performance. Their connected fitness devices, such as fitness trackers and smart running shoes, have empowered athletes to track their progress, set goals, and optimize their training regimens. Under Armour's commitment to social impact extends beyond philanthropy. They actively engage in initiatives promoting inclusivity, diversity, and equal opportunities in sports. By partnering with organizations that promote youth development and sports programs in underserved communities, Under Armour aims to inspire and empower the next generation of athletes. In the face of the COVID-19 pandemic, Under Armour swiftly adapted to the changing landscape. They repurposed their manufacturing capabilities to produce masks, face coverings, and other essential items to support frontline workers and communities in need. This display of agility and resilience during challenging times further strengthened their reputation as a socially responsible and responsive brand. Looking ahead, Under Armour continues to push boundaries and explore new frontiers in sportswear innovation. They remain dedicated to providing athletes with the tools they need to reach their full potential. With a focus on technological advancements, sustainability, global expansion, and social impact, Under Armour is poised to continue its trajectory as a leading sportswear brand in the ever-evolving world of sports and fitness. Furthermore, Under Armour has been at the forefront of embracing new digital technologies to enhance the customer experience and expand their reach. They have invested in e-commerce platforms, mobile applications, and social media marketing to engage with their target audience in a more personalized and interactive manner. These digital initiatives have allowed Under Armour to build a strong online community, offer seamless shopping experiences, and gather valuable data insights to better understand customer